Iron oxide is a reddish-brown powder. Its powder is a low-pigment, industrial called iron oxide red, used in paint, ink, rubber, and other industries. Can be used as a catalyst. Clean up the sundries and fix the bolts before starting the iron oxide ball press. After removing the load, the ball press is allowed to start. Only when the motor steering is consistent with the steering of the big wheel of the motor can the tripod test machine be installed. Iron oxide ball press test machine first with the point method to make the motor pulse rotation. If there is no other noise, start the car only when it is running normally. When feeding the iron oxide ball press, the electric feeder should be ensured to feed evenly and according to the warehouse pressure. The electric feeder should be adjusted to the best effect. After the end of each shift, the material in the silo of the iron oxide ball press should be used up, and the raw material should not be left behind to avoid starting with load in the future. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop, as opposed to driving sequence.